Hello my friends, welcome back to the video Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install Android 17 to your PC. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, just open the browser you're using on your PC, then you're going to type here on the search Android Stereo. Once you got the result, just open the website just got here on the first top. Then you're going to click on the download the Android Stereo. Just by accepting the terms, you will get the setup of the Android Studio in your PC. So you can install it, but I already installed the Android Studio. To make my video a little bit faster, just I'm going to launch the application just on my PC to show you how to just install Android 17 to your PC. So let me open it. As you can see, the application is ready. What you're going to do on the first step, you're just going to click on add a new device, create a virtual device, and then you're going to get this page. You can choose any phone you just want to create in your PC. So I'm just going to use medium phone, just got here on the first top. Now you can check out for the resolution, click on next. Even you can check the size and change the RAM or whatever you want to do just on your Android phone. Just want to create here on your PC. So it's just going to download the setup. You have to wait a few seconds, and once it has been downloaded, you just got to click on finish, and you're going to open or launch your Android device you created here on your Android Studio. As you can see, our Android device is ready. Just first for check, I'm just gonna install any application from the Play Store of my phone. Just got here on my PC. When I just click on sign into my Gmail account, just get back here on search, type here WhatsApp to install it. Click to install the WhatsApp to my phone. I'm just going to click on open, and you can see WhatsApp is working great. When I click on agree and continue, you just have to type the phone number to register here on your WhatsApp my phone. So that's all about how to get WhatsApp in Android 17. I'm going to check out for the settings to check out what Android is installed here on this phone. Go on settings, check out for system, and then we got software updates. Click to open that, and you can see when I check here on system update, I got Android version 17. So that's all how to install Android 17 to your PC. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.